In this video, we're going to talk about different types of landing pages and how and when you can use them in your campaigns. Now, this is going to be very important for all you marketers out there. Landing pages are a key part of any marketing strategy, and that's why it's important to know the differences between them. This will help you pick the right page for the right intent. Let's get started. Squeeze pages are great in gaining contact information. It's effective because it offers gated content or a prompt to ask for visitors' email address to get a newsletter sign up, ebook, or a white paper. Because the objective is to squeeze the email out of visitors, these pages are short, sweet, and direct. A splash page is almost like a squeeze page, but doesn't always have lead capture as the main goal. Instead of sending visitors directly to a web page, splash pages are great for warming them up, or if you want to share an announcement or a new feature, then splash pages are ideal. Think of them as welcome mats outside your house. A lead capture page is similar to a squeeze page, but generally captures more information like name, email, phone number. Lead generation landing pages are great for generating marketing qualified leads that have shown real interest in your product or service. From the moment someone loads a video landing page, their attention is locked on the video. Typically, the video doesn't have any play or pause buttons, so visitors are exclusively locked on to watch the video. With some clever tactics, you can show up the form or button after the visitors watch 30%, 50%, or 90% of the video. A click-through landing page is a page that provides detailed information about an offer to persuade the visitor to click through to a conversion-focused page like a sales page or lead generation page. These pages are great to warm up visitors, build trust, and qualify traffic. A sales landing page is a page designed to convert your website visitors into customers. These pages are great for bottom of the funnel, where customers are in the last stage of the buyer's journey. These pages mimic direct mail sales letters, and hence they are rather long and detailed. We'll break down a sales landing page in future videos so you can learn how sales pages should be structured. An advertorial page is a landing page that's designed to look like an organic news story. These pages are great for warming cold traffic. Because advertorial pages match the native channel, they feel very similar to the content of the channel. This way, a reader gets value from the page as they're in the right mindset to buy before they land on your sales page. A lead magnet is a valuable offer that you provide to your prospects in exchange for contact information such as name and email. Lead magnets such as a newsletter sign-up or a coupon or webinar sign-ups are all great examples of lead magnet landing pages. Pre-launch landing pages are great for generating early sign-ups or building a list which you can market later. Pre-launch landing pages pique interest with your early adopters and persuade them to sign up. Thank you pages are great to build up rapport with your new leads or subscribers. You can use thank you pages to push marketing qualified leads into sales qualified leads by embedding an appointment calendar on the page. Another idea is to show the next steps when a lead signs up. This is great for future pacing. And finally, you can also use thank you pages as a way to showcase resources or embed a video thanking your new sign-up. When your lead or subscriber clicks that unsubscribe link, you have one final push to keep them on your list. Unsubscribe landing pages can help subscribers choose frequency at which they receive your emails. You can also think of them to offer personalization so subscribers can pick and choose the topics they prefer. You could also use it to show an optional survey asking subscribers why they unsubscribed. As the name suggests, referral landing pages are great for welcoming visitors from your referral sources. You can share this page with your clients or strategic partners to get business referrals. Since referral landing pages won't be otherwise visible to general public, you can only share the link with your trusted sources. These are great for generating high quality qualified leads. A 404 page is a landing page that tells your site visitors that the requested page is unavailable or in some cases doesn't exist. Although this is more of an error page, you can come up with creative ways to either surprise or delight your visitors. Check out these really cool examples from Pixar, Disney, and MailChimp. There you have it, guys, 13 different landing page types to help you position your offer. I hope you guys got value from this video, and if you would like to watch more videos like this one, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.